你好，我係將個 Inspiration Learning Centre 數學科導師 Mr. Nelson，今日想同大家講啲關於高中課題嘅題目嘅。咁呢個就係 Measures of Dispersion 嘅題目啦。我哋首先睇題目先。The following shows the time in seconds taken by two groups of students in a 100-meter race。咁你有兩個 group 啦 ，Group A 同 Group B 佢哋嘅時間分別喺度啦。咁我哋 Part A，find the median and the interquartile range of the time in each group. B，which class has a larger dispersion in the time taken? Explain your answer。首先嚟睇翻 A 呢條題目先啦，我哋要揾翻呢兩 group 分別嘅 median 同埋 interquartile range。咁啊，首先睇翻 group A 先，我哋要排翻順次序，因為本身係唔跟次序嘅，我哋要順次序細至大咁排列咗，細至大咁排列咗先。跟住 median 亦都即係話個 second quartile Q2 啦，就會係喺呢個 group 裏邊，因為有8個數據啊，所以就係第4同第5個 term 加埋除2嘅，咁所以都係睇翻15成嘅詞。跟住啦，我哋如果要揾 interquartile range 嘅話咧，就要根據翻資料分翻 lower half 同 upper half 先。咁 Q1 就喺 lower half 嗰度嘅，就會係第2同第3個 term 加埋除2，亦都即係等於13。咁 Q3 咧，即係個 third quartile 咧，就喺 upper half 嗰邊嘅，咁就會係第6同第7個 term 加埋，即係16加16over 2。啱佢啦，就會係 third quartile Q3 減翻 first quartile Q1，咁就等於16減13，就等於2.5%。